Alright, so it is the same day, Sunday, Father's Day, and there's a Fiat 850. So this is a place called Electronic something. I forget the name of it, but so it's pretty cool to see this classic Fiat right here. And you guys already know, owner of a Fiat. Damn. Nice little steel wheels, 4-lug pattern steel, keeping it OG. This thing actually has 4 gears. That's crazy because I know the Fiat 500Ls and the Ds and all the other ones, the older models, only have 3 or 2 speeds really. But this thing's gutted. Little exhaust sticking out right there. It's funny looking. But this is such a sexy looking Fiat though. I like it. So today's going to be just kind of a vlog. Well, this video. If you guys haven't checked out the other video that's over there, State of Speed, City of Gardena. They had their car meet there, so that's up in the channel. And this thing's pretty sick. Nice little painted brakes. There's a Honda up there. But what else is gonna happen this week, guys? So 24th 25th, there's a lot of cool things happening Saturday and Sunday this week. As always, I'll show you guys around, but we're gonna head up inside there and see what this place has to show us. Alright, so we have arrived to Electric Dreams. Order with your phone here. The Hunger Crusher. Sounds like they have some music playing, so don't want to get copyrighted. But damn, they just leave a big old TV like that on the ground. Alright. So I do know that this place was going to be a, I guess, electric, like a Hot Wheel thing. They kind of like have those on a track through electric charges, and then they have model cars and all that stuff here. So all right, so they had a lot of slot cars into these cases, and the cool thing is they had the QR codes to their websites on each case, and you know, they had prices and different like arrangements of how you can order things. And overall, there were some really cool slot cars. I've never seen something like this. That one right there, the blue one, it had that, even the white one, they had that Euro show style on there. I think that was pretty cool. Like exact replicas. Right here you had the model cars. And the cool thing is, some of these cars also had models inside of them, like little drivers and everything. That was pretty neat to see that. And of course, they had a this thing was about $100. There's no way I was going to be able to get it. However, though, I did get a little Fiat. Right here, you know, they had these really nice little Hot Wheels. You know, this kid and everybody else was driving around the track. And these things are just flying. I can't imagine like how they control it with the little controller. I think it's a whole different settings compared to the 1/24 scales. And these are a few of the tracks, and the Mario Kart is actually a track, but cool little book of how everything is put together. There's a really simple motor in it, piece of copper that sits on the track. They had some BRZs sitting around, so that was pretty cool. We got to actually test them out. And then of course right here you have the Herbie edition. It was RC Herbie remote car, controlled. Which is crazy because it's like, it wasn't even a real car driving around. It was actually RC powered, just like the slot cars are kind of remote control powered. So of course my mom photobombing everything. But
10 o'clock drawing, 2 slotted slot cars, a C9 and an Audi R8. It's rolling. And the winner is Carlos Peniche. Where is Carlos Peniche? Carlos Peniche, first winner. There you go, Carlos Peniche. Yes. There you go.
Thank you. I love it.
Look at that, just in time for the Nationals. There we go.
Help me out. Wait.
All right, very nice.
The second car.
All right, second car. Another drawing. Hold up. Second car. Look at that. Happy camper. Look at that face.
Yep, I saw that.
That is a Fiat.
I might have to get it.
That is a Fiat.
I might have to get it.
This one?
Yeah.
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 It's a Fiat.
Cheaper the car. Okay, I got it going.
I might have to get it.
Slow, but it runs great when it's on the track.
We have Fiats. That's a really cool.
I opened the box for you. Look at the little box. And he's selling these, right? No, he's not. Oh, okay.
Let me off the track. It's so small.
So basically, you accelerate, and when you see a corner, you let it go, and then it will brake automatically. So you go and you brake. Every time that you see a corner, if you don't brake, the car is gonna fall.
How interesting.
I'll watch you first.
That's so funny.
You guys want to try the track?
Alright, so this was pretty fun here. Picked up a nice little classic Fiat 500 Abarth. This is actually the one I was talking about earlier in the videos. So these ones have little speeds, but I like how this one is there, and you know, my mom's got it for me. I am with her today. It's cool they had that on the sign. I didn't even see that when I came here. But they had a 500 Abarth, the newer ones, and really tempted to get it. It's not a bad price. It's 90 bucks. The only thing is, I already collect Hot Wheels, and that's bad, so I'm not gonna collect these things because there's no way I'm gonna have a track like this in my house. But as always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.